Hi! For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the 8 free AI tools that feels illegal to know. But first, if you're new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. So the first AI tools that I'm going to show you is the u/tldr.com. Get the TLDR of any YouTube video in seconds. It will effortlessly summarize, download, search, and interact with YouTube videos in your language. So for example, we have a YouTube link here, and then click on TLDR it. But you can also get another link of YouTube video, and you can paste it here. You can see the transcript here, and it is from time to time. Then, if you click on summary, you can get the summary of the video. You don't have to watch the full video to get the summary. All you need is this AI tool that's called TLDR. And with TLDR, you can also initiate a chat. This is a premium feature. Please upgrade to the Pro plan to use this feature. But if you have this feature, you can specifically ask about the video. Now, let's go to the next AI tool. GPT-1. Full GPT by randomly replacing words with synonyms in your text. So let's try it out. First, let's go to ChatGPT and then copy some paragraph. Let's try to copy this introduction. Then, let's go back to GPT-1 and then paste the paragraph. After that, you can now click on Submit. Let's wait a few seconds. And here, you will see that it randomly replaced the words with synonyms in your text. You can see these highlighted words here, like the visual aspect, charmed, typical, and perceptiveness. And that's GPT-1. The next AI tools that I'm going to introduce you is the Microsoft Designer. Stunning designs made lightning fast with AI. Design assistance from start to finish. Designer has all the tools you'd expect, plus a few AI superpowers. Generate stunning designs and original images just by typing what you want. Get writing assistance and automatic layout suggestions for anything you add. Designer can even propose captions and hashtags to make social media sharing effortless. You can also turn words into designs. From just a short description, Designer can quickly generate original and editable designs created just for you. Get help with layout. As you add new elements, Designer provides smart layout suggestions that expertly integrate new elements. Get attention on social media. Based on your goals, Designer can write hashtags and captions that get attention on social media. Share efficiently to all major platforms. Personalize to your style, your brand, and your business. Now let's move on to the next AI tool. It is the Perplexity. Perplexity is like ChatGPT that you can ask anything. There are also some suggestions here, like this popular here. What are the weirdest ice cream flavors popular in the world? So let's try to ask a thing. Like for example, what is the largest flower in the world? And here, you will see that it will give the answer. The largest flower in the world is the Rafflesia arnoldii. Now, after asking a question, let's ask Perplexity to write an essay for us. Click on New. Let's try to write. Can you write a poem about a flower? And here, it will actually give you a poem about flower. Perplexity will give you what you asked for. Now, the next AI tool is background.lol. Get amazing AI cover images in seconds. Like anime, sunset, space, futuristic, waterfall, forest, fluid, and dream. Now, let's try to generate AI cover images with background.lol. For example, a beautiful flower under the sun. Now, let's wait a few seconds to generate the image. And there we have our beautiful flower under the sun. Moving on, the next free AI tool that I'm going to introduce to you is Cutout.pro. We leverage the power of artificial intelligence and computer vision to deliver a wide range of product bots available for individual use and business application, and workflows to achieve efficiency and creation. Now, you can see this some feature here, like for example, remove unwanted objects. Magically remove unwanted persons, objects, scratches, skin blemishes, and other imperfections. You can also remove background from video. No green screen, no peak pixels, select colors, paint mask, or move paths, 100% automatically remove video backgrounds. You can also remove background from photo, superb cutout quality with stunning edges details, and face cutout, like face and hair segmentation for human. It also has a photo enhancer, AI video enhancer, photo animer, photo colorizer, cartoon selfie, passport photo maker, and blur background. Now, the last free AI tool is the video2recipe.com, where you can convert your favorite cooking videos to recipes. Simply paste the video URL or ID and let our AI generate the step-by-step instructions, and also the ingredient list for you. Now, click on Get the Recipe. And here, you will see the video and the ingredients below, and also the instructions. You don't have to watch the full video to get the details. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you on the next video.